Today we have a one owner 2015 Nissan Rogue, 27,000 miles, clean auto check, balance of factory warranty. Let's give you a look. See, this is the last year of the Rogue's old body styling. It does have the small chrome grille with the black plastic inserts. It does have the chrome hosed headlights. It has 17-inch alloy wheels, 17-inch tire wheel combination. It has polished aluminum roof racks along with your satellite radio antenna. It does have the nice chrome moldings on the doors. Take a look at the inside, you'll see it's black on black. Also has some nice brushed aluminum trim on the dash and the doors. Look in the back, you have a pretty good amount of room back there. You do have bench seating. And seats do fold forward to give you a little extra cargo space too if you need to haul something bigger. Bring it around the back, you see the badging, Rogue Select all-wheel drive. And you notice this has the rear backup camera underneath the badge. If you look in there, you see it's nice and clean and does have a decent amount of cargo space inside. And if you lift all these mats and stuff up, you see you have some cargo space down underneath here as well. Does have a rear defrost or wiper. Look in the passenger's rear. Give you a quick peek at the interior. You'll see it does have power locks, power windows right here on the door panel. On the inside of the car you have your all-wheel drive button. You have your traction control button and your power mirror controls. See the current mileage is 27,455. You'll see on your driver's wheel, you have your cruise control, your voice activation Bluetooth controls, your audio controls, along with your cruise control. And your audio display screen, like I mentioned earlier, it does have XM. Of course, we're inside the building, so you won't get signal on it there. Can link your phone and your iPod or anything right through the radio, of course. Your heating and air conditioning controls, automatic transmission selector, and there's a button here for sport mode, which slightly changes the ride of the vehicle depending on your driving style. You have cup holders, large and small. Have a nice deep center console. It is a nice clean vehicle inside. No rips, no tears, no smell of smoke or pet. Go ahead and give you a look under the engine bay. Look, it's also nice and clean underneath there. This particular Rogue has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. Nice zippy little engine paired with the automatic transmission. Gets you 30-some miles per gallon on the highway. You'll notice it's a pretty quiet running little engine. I've used that engine in these roads for a while. Pretty tested engine. The last thing I am going to do, I'm going to walk you around and give you one last look at the vehicle and point out any blemishes or damages to it. In case you're interested in coming out, you'll know about them. There is a scuff on the front lower part of the bumper. Has been touched up. Along with about an inch-long scratch under the passenger headlight. Top of the back bumper has a few little scratches on it, probably from people dragging luggage in and out the back. And the back of the back bumper does have some gonna call them creases in the plastic. Looks like somebody backed in a little too close to somebody and got their front plate. Put a couple marks on the back bumper. You can see the kind of an outline of a screw head there and there. And has some marking here on this side of the bumper on the rear also. Other than that, there is, I think it might have been the other side. A couple of the wheels do have a little curb rash. The ones on this side actually look pretty good. Yeah, that one actually looks pretty good. Yeah, it's a passenger side front. Has some curb rash on it there. So we got a little too close to the sidewalk. Other than that, it's a pretty decent little SUV. Just some pretty good gas mileage and all the family around wherever you need to go. If you want to come out and take it a drive, give us a call, 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on the website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.